My dear viewers, from today, the logos will present before you today's tonic. This will be brought to your notice hereafter. So kindly watch it, share it, like it, and subscribe it. Today's tonic. Do you want a big change in your life? Then put down your glass. Once the professor entered his classroom by holding up a glass with some water in it. He held it up for all to see and asked the students, "How much do you think this glass weighs?" Some students said 50 grams, others said 100 grams, and others some said 125 grams, and very few speechless. Professor said, "I really do not know unless I weigh it." Again the professor asked the students, "My question is, what would happen if I held it up like this for minutes?" "Nothing," the students said. "Okay, then what would happen if I held it up like this for an hour?" the professor asked. "Your arm could begin to pain," said one of the students. "You are right. Now, what would happen if I held it for a day?" "Your arm could go without sensation. You might have severe muscle tension and paralysis and have to go to hospital for sure." All the students laughed. "Very good," professor said. "But during all this, did the weight of the class change?" asked the professor. "No," students replied. "Then what causes the arm ache and the muscle tension?" The students were in dilemma and confusion. "What should I do to come out of pain now?" asked the professor again. "Put down the glass," said one of the students. "Exactly," said the professor. "Now let us apply this to our life. Life's problems are something like this. Hold it for a minute in your mind and heart, and they seem okay. Think of them for a long time, and they begin to pain. Hold it even longer, and they begin to paralyze you. You will not able to do anything. It is very important to think of the challenges and problems in your life. But even more important is to put them down at the end of every day before you go to sleep." My dear friends, you don't be tensed. You wake up every day fresh and strong and handle any issue and any challenges that comes in your way by putting down your glass of tension, worries, evil, sickness, anger, hatred, jealousy, and many other unnecessary things. Are you ready to put down your glass? Thank you. Have a great day.